If you've done any kind of research, you probably know this moment.
You've talked to customers, taken in pages of notes, collected whatever data you could get your hands on. And in the midst of it, you have a feeling there's something valuable. But it's hard to see what really matters. And you often have to make a trade-off.
Do you go deep, closely interpreting a small set of interviews? Or go wide, looking at large data sets but losing some of the nuance of people's experiences?
Generative AI changes what's possible. It gives us the ability to explore research at greater speed and scale, while staying grounded in human stories.
But only if we know how to use it well.
I'm Rosenfeld, a design research leader at IDEO.
And I'm Angela Kochoska, a research scientist at IDEO. We use innovative methods and emerging technologies like AI to expand the scale, scope, and impact of our research for Fortune 500 companies, healthcare giants, startups, and more.
Most people use AI to summarize research, but its real strength is helping us uncover patterns inside messy human data.
In human-centered research with AI, you'll learn how IDEO leverages the speed and scale of AI without losing the human perspective that leads to meaningful insights. You'll learn practical ways to work with AI too. Analyze qualitative data at scale without losing the nuance of human judgment. Examine your research more thoroughly and holistically. Go from surface-level findings to deep human understanding.
Throughout the course, we'll focus on how AI can support, not replace, the uniquely human skills at the heart of research: sense-making, empathy, and judgment. The result isn't just faster research, it's a deeper understanding and insights you can use to guide decisions.